Welcome to Lichtsinn RV, where normally we're only 1 mile from the Winnebago Factory in Forest City, Iowa, but today we're here at the Industry Association's Open House in Elkhart, Indiana. Today, in partnership with Winnebago Industries, we announced another 100 National Park Foundation Travados to be built, which is on that fuel-efficient ProMaster chassis and does include the 4th battery cell from Volta Power Systems, bringing you up to 11,600 watt-hours of lithium energy in the lithium-based Winnebago Travado. So again, 100 limited edition Travados will be built. Also today, we announced the Winnebago Solis, which is a compact, fuel-efficient Ram ProMaster chassis, but does include the open-air studio loft. It does provide just great ability to go from surf to slope on the compact, fuel-efficient ProMaster. Be sure to wait for more to come from Lichtsinn RV, where we're here at the Industry Association's Open House in Elkhart, Indiana.